my wife doesn't have time. She gotta go to the pool. She have to have a knife.
The only thing I said is, we don't have a stringer.
We have 3 at home. Linda, Lisa, say hi.
We're in the pool. Hey, Max.
I'm gonna send to Max, yeah.
Max, we're in Grandma's pool. Yeah.
And he's at the Venice beach right now.
And
I'd rather be here.
What?
Hey, Max. Max.
Yeah, right. Right. He's at Venice beach? Are you crazy?
Max.
You staying Wayne? You said, oh no, please.
Mommy, film me. I'm gonna do a backflip. Do you want to see?
Yes.
Max, look it. And me too. That was a backflip. No front flip. A front flip.
I think Grandma's coming here.
Did the film see that? Look at Daddy. Wow. Look, Daddy. Look, Daddy. Wait.
Oh, Grandma! Grandma's coming! Grandma's coming! Yeah, it's swollen.